bank job in Juarez was easy, but pickings were slim. El Paso, just north of the border, was touch and go. We figured out quickly we needed a third for a driver. Maria showed up in her Ford truck, wouldn't you know? Goodbye, old friend, she was always my senorita. Could split that cash, but there ain't quite enough for three. Say your last words and we'll be on our way, my amigo. A bed full of money, a Ford truck, Maria and me. Our gunslinger threesome camped out as we counted our money. Out on the West Texas hills in the fading sunlight, while you had passed out from a bottle of Sauza tequila. She made me a man in that Ford truck that clear starry night. Goodbye, old friend, she was always my senorita. We could split that cash, but there ain't quite enough for three. Say your last words and we'll be on our way, my amigo. A bed full of money, a Ford truck, Maria and me. You got sloppy in Fort Worth and shot up that old guy in Chico. Said you would take us both down if we left you alone. Try to split all the takings three ways, but you wanted half. So me and Maria were gonna go out on our own. Goodbye, old friend, she was always my senorita. We could split that cash, but there ain't quite enough for three. Say your last words and we'll be on our way, my amigo. With a bed full of money, her Ford truck, Maria and me. With a bed full of money, a Ford truck, Maria and me.